This is a Lenovo ThinkPad E575 screen replacement guide. For the replacement process, we'll need the following tools: a small Phillips screwdriver and an X-Acto knife. To begin, turn off the laptop. Press and hold the power button and disconnect the power cord. Turn the laptop over and remove the battery. Start removing the bezel. Gently pull the inner edge of the bezel away from the glass. Once the edge is unsnapped, go around the perimeter, unsnapping the tabs underneath. Put the bezel aside. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove 4 screws holding the LCD panel, 2 screws on the top and 2 more screws at the bottom. Place the LCD on the keyboard. Using an X-Acto knife, gently peel off the clear tape securing the video connector. Open the connector's bracket. Disconnect the video cable. Discard the old panel. Take the new LCD screen and place it on the keyboard. Using both hands, reconnect the video cable. Secure it with a clear tape. Caution: it is very important not to force the connectors. As well, you must not twist or slant the connector when plugging it in. Lift the screen up and align it with its mounting holes. Replace 4 Phillips screws, 1 in each corner. Replace the bezel. Press firmly near the hinge cover and then go around the perimeter, snapping the tabs back in place. Close the laptop, flip it over, and make sure that the bezel is closed at the hinge covers. Replace the battery. Reconnect the power cord. Press the power button, and if the startup graphics appear on the LCD screen, then it is installed correctly and we are done.